Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter accounts section, tap add account, then select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. Then you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap next. Next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, what you have to do is to tap next here. And after that, account will be added. If you want to remove your account, just select it here, then tap here and select go to the account preferences. Delete your account or services. No, not like this. Remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.